Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So Ethereum has already now, well, with that latest move up that we've seen, Ethereum has fulfilled the requirements for that one more high that I was looking for in this third wave. This is the daily chart, by the way. Current main thesis is that a larger degree fourth wave bottomed here on the 5th of August, and we're now in a possible 5-wave diagonal pattern to the upside. There are different let's say different scenarios that could play out here, but I'm gonna go with the one that seems most probable at the moment, and this is the one where a wave 4 bottomed in August and we are now in our wave 5 to a new all-time high. Might not be the most aggressive move up, and it could be a bit choppy because we're dealing with diagonal patterns and so on, but yeah, that's at the moment what I am tracking. Please note that the price is moving up in an A, B, C structure in that wave 5. That just has to do with the overall pattern that started in 2022. And an A wave can be a 3-wave move. We don't need 5 waves up, but it would be ideal and it would be the clearest pattern, which is why I'm tracking for that. For now, what have we been watching for in the last few days? If you watch the videos, then you know that we wanted to see primarily in this third wave of a potential A wave, we wanted to see one more high, right? So that happened, even though we haven't really reached the next upside level at 3,692, the minimum requirements for that one more high that I wanted to see, and we take a look at that on a smaller time frame in a minute. The minimum requirements, they have actually been fulfilled. So what do we normally, because this would be an internal wave 5 of wave C of 3. So we are going to take a look at that, but this is the only rule that there is really. It needs to be a higher high, but it usually is ideal to actually reach the next fib. Okay, this is the next fib, okay, but still 3,692 would give us a more healthy wave 5 in wave C. Then we can watch for wave 4 and wave 5, but wave 4 hasn't clearly started yet, and I need to adjust this wave 4 support area with the price. We take a look at it on the 1 hour chart to see what would confirm actually the start of that fourth wave. Support is now 2,619 to 2,944 before wave 5 to the upside starts. Then once the 5th wave is done, we would be looking for a B wave pullback and maybe a final wave up in wave C. Other interpretations are possible, but we won't go through all of them now. I mean, at the moment there is nothing that would tell me that this wave count needs to be revised or that something else is going on. So looking at the 1 hour chart, then shorter time frame, you can see how the price actually reached this one more high that we wanted to see. So the idea was, as I explained to you, that a B wave bottomed here in November, 4th of November. We're now working on this C wave of wave 3, ideally 3,692 to be reached. We wanted to see one more high in this wave 5 of C of 3. Well, we've done that. A bit of a weird micro pattern, but it's getting choppy, but this could, the top could be in. I need a break below 3,222 to confirm that we have started the larger fourth wave. At the moment, as long as we're holding above it, I'm rather looking for higher, maybe one more high to reach 3,692. Because what we wanted to see is in this 5th wave, a 5-wave move. I can see a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah? But it would still be ideal to maybe get one more high, but it doesn't need it, right? It's not needed at this stage. Happy with what I see. The price formed that one more high, but I would still like to see it get to the next fib level, right? But again, it's only because we're printing higher highs, higher lows, and I need a break of support to indicate that the larger wave 4 has started. Support for that was already mentioned on the daily chart. I just need to make sure that I adjust this with the latest high, and then we can just sort of watch for the market's patterns to unfold. That's the update about Ethereum. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.